Then we get angry about that kind of blue.
It's the Intercoastal Highway, not the interstate. The interstate too. Oh, yeah. I was like, that kind of concerns me when I had to do this straight. Oh, yeah.
Anybody can. Well, that boxcar gave me a headed second in the first car, and it was like, it was derailing over there. I was like, I'm throwing it back. And it derailed over here. By the time I noticed, it was in the middle of the bridge, sideways. Yeah, that happens. I almost went into the river, that one.
By the time I drop the ramp on the trailer until I get it ready to run, it takes me about 6 hours.
You're not really doing it slow, obviously. You know, you're just tightening it up.
Annual 57 cars.
I made it so you could actually it'd be like a switching module. I got like, I don't have much N scale. I got mostly HO.
One track, N track was developed in the late 60s, became standard.